The Bestop Sunrider for hardtop, the perfect modification for Jeep enthusiasts who want that open-air experience without all the hassle. The Sunrider is made for all weather and provides a solution for those bulky factory freedom panels. This product offers instant access to an open-air driving experience without ever leaving the front seat. The Sunrider provides all-season, year-round functionality for your Jeep Wrangler. This means you can enjoy the open-air experience even in the winter, confidently cruising with your Sunrider, rain, snow, or shine. One of the best things about the Sunrider is how easy it is to use. You can open and close this top quickly as long as you're in the stop position. It only takes 2 clicks and a flip to get instant access to open air. It's quick, convenient, and simple. Just look at this Jeep with a Sunrider installed. It's not only practical, but also has that clean and classy look. So whether your Jeep is used for the trails or for those daily family adventures, the Sunrider from Bestop is a great option. It seamlessly adapts to your lifestyle. With the Bestop Sunrider for hardtop, you can experience open-air driving like never before. If you want to know more about the Bestop Sunrider for hardtop or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.